Hi everybody, I'm Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day. If you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button, and that way you can stay updated on any of the future videos that I have that will come out. Today's video is very different. I know that I usually do review videos, but I wanted to show another side of why I do nails. And it's a part of the job that, I don't know how to say it, it's the most rewarding. It keeps us grounded. So yeah, stay tuned and hopefully you'll enjoy my journey today. Okay, I just want to give you guys a little intro, I guess, to my day today. I'm gonna go get ready and put on some makeup. I'm gonna be as pretty as I can be for the day. And then I'm going to a nursing home. I'm gonna go get some makeup on, and I've got a couple chores I need to do. My dogs are out, but I need to go take care of my son's dog before I head over to the nursing home. And I need to stop at the salon and pack up a few things to go there. So, just gonna take you on my journey. I live in Ohio, so we have road construction everywhere. Okay, so this is not the first time that I have had to go someplace. Turn on. So I'm just going to take a minute and show you what I did as just a little travel kit to take with me when I go see clients who can't be here at the salon with me. Let me turn this around. Okay, salon's quiet today. So I got this little makeup case here from Walmart. Nothing major. So, can you see that? Okay, so that's what that's like. And I am going to put a couple of towels in here. I really should put this, hold on a second, I'll put this camera up here. It might shut off on me, doggone it. Okay, that's about the best as I'm gonna do right now. So I just want to pack it with a couple towels. I want to make sure I have a nail file. I actually brought the good stuff from home because I wanted to spoil her a little bit. I am going to take my acetone, just a little bit. I'm going to tuck it right in here between my two towels, just in case I've got any issues. And of course, nail clippers, a manicure brush. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of these orange wood sticks just because I don't really know what I'm getting into. I'm going to go ahead and take some cotton. I'm going to take some of my lint-free wipes. Now, if they wanted polish, I would take some polish, but she does not, so I'm not going to mess with that. So let me see, what else do I need? Oh, a cuticle pusher. That's right. I knew there was something else. So I'm just going to get my cuticle pusher. Lotion, cuticle pusher. Wedgwood stick, file, clippers. Always feel like I'm forgetting something. Cuticle oil. Always feel like I'm forgetting. And honestly, I probably am. But at the end of the day, it will be just fine. So I'm just gonna shut this back up. It actually has way more space than I need, but it just makes it cute. I have a hand sanitizer attached to my purse, so I will just use that. And I think that's all I need. Alrighty. Okay, so just a tad of a background story. My client is very much like family to me. Years ago, when I started doing her nails, she had a job as somebody who helped take care of people. When, you know, older people that when they were sick or something like that, she helped do things with them. When my husband's family needed someone to come into the home and help take care of his grandmother, this is who I suggested. I love her dearly. She was fabulous with my husband's grandmother as she was closing out her journey. And I couldn't have asked for a better person to be grafted into our family. I love her dearly. And yeah, there you have it. Okay, I have arrived at my destination and I'm preparing myself to go in. I'm not sure how much of the video I'm going to do on the inside. We'll just roll with it. If I take some and then I wind up not putting it in the end cut, then it is what it is. But this is why I do what I do. Got my little case in hand. Hello. Hello. I'm here for okay. It's been interesting. I am super glad that I went. I am so thankful that I got a chance to see her. Yeah, video inside was just, I just wasn't feeling it. I wanted to dedicate my attention to her not filming. And hopefully I will get the opportunity and the chance to go back and see her some more before her journey is complete. But if I have not, or if I don't, the whole reason I did this video today was to show people that there's another side to our job that has absolutely nothing to do with the perfect C curve. How much you charge an hour, how fast you are, if you have this many likes on Instagram or this many followers, if you're the biggest and bestest in your field or not. This has absolutely nothing to do with that. And this is how you can impact the people around you right where you're at. Every day we have an opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. I know it doesn't seem like much. You know, we're nail techs. We listen to all their hopes and dreams and all their drama, trauma. But we have a chance to leave an impression and to give them a piece of us as we are given a piece of them. And I hope that this recenters some people and it gives them a chance to stop, breathe, and really take advantage of what's important. I'm not saying that being successful, being good at your craft, the perfect C curve, trust me, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with being successful, nothing wrong with that. But beyond these, beyond the quest for the perfect now, are the people that God placed around you, the people that you've been placed around. And they're what matters. Thank you for joining me today.